Today we're going to show you step by step how to refresh and reset your For You page algorithm on TikTok. If you've been scrolling through your For You page but haven't found videos that capture your interest, follow along to learn how to reset it and discover new, exciting content. First, open your TikTok application and navigate to your profile page. Once you're on your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines or dots at the top right corner. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the menu. Scroll down a bit and look for Content Preferences. Tap on it to proceed. Here you'll find an option to refresh your For You feed. Tap on it. You'll be taken to a page that explains they will show popular videos to launch your new feed and that your profile feed and inbox won't be affected. Remember, the more you interact, the more personalized your feed will become. Continue by tapping on the Refresh button. Once you've done this, your For You page will be reset. You can reopen TikTok to apply these changes. Now, TikTok's algorithm will start recommending content based on what you like, comment on, and interact with. That's how you refresh and reset your For You page on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it. Thanks for watching.